Hi everyone. Short video. When you're replacing all the seals at the back of a Landrover Series 3 main crank, I had no idea this one were in here. Don't forget to order this one, else you'll make the same mistake as me. I cleaned it all off, pressure washed all the oil and muck off, only to find out another seal. I've checked everywhere else, there's no more seals. Luckily I quickly ordered this one. This has come from All Makes 4x4, £3, next day delivery. This has come quicker than the other parts, I'm still waiting for them. So it's just a case of pull out, this is a lot thicker. Pull out, pop in. It's a bit smaller now, so it must be a snug fit. Job done. £3. Thanks for watching, bye for now.